Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 4 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel and let's find the toggle, so power saving mode, and you can tap on it right over here and enable the power saving mode. You can also hold the toggle and this will take you to the settings of the battery, where you have access to the super power saving mode, which will extend the battery well, quite drastically, as you can see. So on power saving mode, we're apparently getting a 1 day and 10 hours, well, close to 11 hours. But at super power saving mode, we get 2 days and 2 hours. Now there is a little bit of a discrepancy between this. So if I disable the power saving mode, apparently we're getting 1 day and 9 hours out of this, which should be changed based on, for instance, reducing the battery, or not the battery, the brightness. But as you can see, the brightness has no effect on it. So it's not really calculating every factor into this time available. So apart from enabling the power saving mode, you can also do a couple additional things yourself to preserve a little bit more battery, which, as you've seen, will not be really shown over here. But that would be in notification panel. You have things like location, which is by default enabled, so you can disable that one. Also Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you're using only one, then disable the other. You don't really need both of them at that point. NFC on the second page, and this will preserve a little bit more battery, and also drop the brightness of your display by whatever margin you want it. So if you don't need it to be at full brightness, for instance, then drop it by half if that suits you. And from there, you can also enable the super power saving mode, but that is more designed for like some kind of emergency. So if I enable it, you'll see that it makes the phone a little bit less usable. So it has only like the default apps, there's no background here, and the primary objective of this mode is to preserve battery, and that's about it. And once you're ready to leave this, you can click on the exit button right here. Oh, there we go. Exit super power saving mode, and it will go back to the normal one. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.